Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating dark mode on Facebook. Facebook are currently working on an official dark mode for their app and site. It isn't yet released though, so I'm going to show you a workaround to get dark mode on Facebook when using Google Chrome. This only works with Google Chrome and not any other web browser, so let's begin. Open up Google Chrome and in the URL bar type this in. Don't worry, I will leave a direct link in the video description for you to copy. That will bring you to some of the hidden options in Chrome where you can actually force all websites to run in dark mode. Where it says Force Dark Mode for Web Contents, tap on where it says Default and change it to Enabled. You will now be prompted to restart Chrome. Tap on Relaunch. Chrome will now reopen in dark mode. Head back over to Facebook and take a look at it in dark mode. As well as being easier on the eyes, dark mode actually uses less battery on your phone than a white background. If you ever want to turn dark mode off again, all you have to do is enter this into your URL bar, chrome://flags, and then disable that same option for dark mode that we enabled earlier. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.